Nakikita ba sa camera? Hindi, di ba? Natatakpan.
Dito?
Hindi.
Hindi naman nakikita.
There.
Natatakpan
There.
na.
5,
Just look there. Only there.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 300. Go for the win. Time start.
Muna. Mama, arrange mo na. Muna. Sandali lang.
Start na pala, kanina pa.
Yes. Close your eyes. Hindi naman kita. Kita pa rin.
Hello, kita
Okay.
ni Atis. Ay, mamaya, pag-i-rumble mo ulit ha.
Okay. Okay. Arrange mo na yung ball. Arrange that.
I'm a little nervous na.
What is the first color, second, and third? Is that your guess? Final?
Final?
Yes.
Okay.
Can you
3, 2,
repeat, Mama?
1, go!
Only one green, only green. Try
It's
next
my turn.
time.
It's my
Next
turn.
turn.
Not yet. Not yet. Go back. Go back. Go
Dito
back
ka.
there.
Dito sa likod
It's
ni
not
Papa.
done.
It's okay. It's okay.
Not
That is
yet
a part
done
of
pa.
the
Not
game.
yet. Papahula po ako. Di ka sama, Nay? Sunod ikaw, ah. Ang taas naman ang mata ko. Pa?
Alam ko madali.
Dito na.
Tago mo sa bote para di makita.
Ayun na. Yan eh.
Game.
Na.
No, somebody.
Ah! Don't tell.
Don't tell ate. Ate na gagawin. Don't tell ate. Dito ako sa likod ko.
Hingi ka?
Final guess.
I'm getting loose this time.
Okay.
Reveal. Mama, reveal.
1, 2, 3, go!
Only two. Only two.
Oh my gosh.
Nana, your
So
turn.
hard.
Okay, after mommy.
So hard.
Go to my
Sige.
back.
Kita mo ako.
Ay,
Arrange mo na.
I'm very sad. I'm very sad now.
it's fine. Wait lang.
Tagal naman. Isang kulay lang mabaguhin.
Ikot-ikot ba? Ikaw na next. Go!
Oh, ano lang yan eh. Swerte yan lang yan. Di ko nababaguhin yan. Baka ginaya mo lang. Reveal.
Okay na?
Oo. Wala mo na nakuha. Reverse talaga.
This one's too hard. Oh my God.
Okay. Close your eyes, Nanay.
This one's.
Close your eyes, Nanay. Okay. Go.
Reveal. Final na nanay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3,
Isa na lang. Isa lang pala.
It's the same.
It's your turn.
Okay.
So it's turn.
Close your eyes. Ay, di mo na ano yun.
Parang hirap ulaan yan. Abutin tayo ng alas 12 yan.
Pasaltihan na lang. Dapat mas malaki yung ano dyan mo.
Dapat nga dalawang kulay lang eh. Para mabilis na no?
Okay na.
Pag wala kang nanalo, dalawang kulay na lang ha.
No, I'm getting nervous this time. I'm getting nervous. Okay.
Is that your final, Zoe?
Change.
Reveal na?
No.
Reveal na?
Reveal or change pa?
Reveal.
Reveal na?
Reveal.
3.
One.
Reveal or change?
Change.
Oh, change.
Change mo.
How about now?
Reveal?
Yes,
Yes.
reveal na, reveal. Go, 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 reveal.
Wow! Sayang! Wala! Sayang ka, binago niya
No!
kasi kanina.
See, I'm so nervous!
Pinaribil mo pa kasi Mai. Hindi kasi may isa kasing bolang hindi.
Next round, ano na lang, yung dalawang kulay na lang para
See,
mabilis
I'm so
naman.
nervous pala!
It's okay. Go.
Go. Kailangan nito may third eye. Final. Yung mata, parang gumagalaw yung mata.
Kaya nga mo. Reveal?
Reveal. Yes! Wala, parang...
Wala!
Sabi ko naghiram ng tatlong kulay. Next round, two colors na lang. Oh, close my eyes. Then,
Go.
wala bang clue ito? Rainbow color. What's the position of rainbow color? Kanina, final na.
Final?
Papa, yay!
Isa pa, paano yung sinanay?
Sige, ang gagawin ko dito, next round ulit, pero two colors na lang para mabilis.
Ano? Pero nanalo ka na pa sa'yo na yan.
Hindi, ito nga itataya ko nga yan eh.
Ay,
Manalo
natayin
ko
niya
eh.
ulit. Paano na yung first?
Two colors na lang na, pagpipilian na lang natin is orange and
Green.
or green or ito na lang.
Blue and green.
Para mas maganda yung orange and green, orange and blue. No?
Nanay, ito na.
Game! Go!
Ano kay, ano?
For
Sabi sa'yo ba, di
300.
mahirap eh. Close lang yan. Ano lang eh.
Dalawa lang to na yan. Napinila ko sa iyo.
Galit na galit na eh. Game. Go. Sabi ni Zoe na dito. Ano yung bata pa mas parang ano.
Final?
Final? Ha?
Para kay nanay.
Para kay nanay. Sige mo na nanay. Get mo yun nanay.
Wow, akin talaga.
Yes. Thank
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next round. 1, 2,
Please
3,
balik that to the blue
4,
and the orange.
5. 1, 2, 3,
nagugulat siya. Ay, hindi pa. Mamaya.
5. Another 300 for next round. Two colors. Reveal.
Nantok na kasi.
Guess the two colors.
Lay.
So we turn. Rumble the colors. Game na.
Yola, this one's so easy.
Okay, guess na.
There.
Is that final na?
Yes.
Yes. Can you reveal, Mama?
What? I thought it correct.
Oh no.
You're not changing this. You're changing.
No, I changed it.
You change it? Yes, Mama change it. I see
It's
it.
just
You just do kasi.
only 2 balls eh. That's
Very
why
easy.
That's why I'm getting almost angry.
Very almost angry. Game.
It's a game. Di ba? Ano naman si Papa?
Wala kang ano yung yan, dalawa lang bulo eh.
Sige lang, baka nakikita nito.
Nandito na yung mata eh. Go.
I want that one color.
Nagol?
Please.
One.
I want to be winner.
Try na.
Final.
Bakit po?
Final.
Reveal.
Yes.
Why is Blessy wins again?
Ah, busy.
Oh, tanga Bisaya.
Si Zoe naman, Santong Pera, Zoe.
Anong pera?
Zoe Per, Santong
Di mo alam
Pera.
kung ano natawag yung mukha ni Zoe. Ay, Nikki.
And oh. The rules is don't let siblings win.
Gusto na magpahinga.
Naantok na kasi.